Hello everyone. In this lecture what we're going to do is I'm just going to go quickly over the solutions for the advanced functions test. So for problem 1, I used map and I mapped the length function to phrase with the split method applied to it so I could get a list of all the words, and then mapping that I just cast it as a list and returned that. A little tricky, but it's all in one line. Problem 2, what I did was I used the lambda expression here to have x and y, and notice I could not convert the integers to string, so what I had to do was take x, multiply it by 10, and then add y, so I could keep moving along through this digits list. And then I used reduce to reduce this lambda expression on the digits list. Okay, problem 3, I had to use filter to return the words from a list of words which start with the target letter. So I made a lambda expression, set a word, where the first word, if it's equal to that letter, filter it out on the word list, use that lambda expression. Again, one line. Problem 4, I used list comprehension and zip, just zipped up the two lists and then said word 1 plus that connector plus word 2 for the word 1 and word 2 result from that zip. Problem 5, did a little dictionary comprehension here where I said key value for value key in enumerate L. And then problem 6, finally what I did was said a list comprehension here, num for count num in enumerate L if the num is equal to the count, so that basically means if that number is equal to the index, and then return the length of that list, which returns this count here. Okay, so these were all pretty tricky, especially if the requirement for that they are done in one line, but hopefully you can see how powerful the built-in functions now, and they can save you a lot of code. Alright, thanks everyone, and I'll see you at the next lecture.